Hello friends. We have a new event from the company, entitled Guardians of the Depth. This event has 13 levels, the most important prize being the South Korean Tiger Shark anti-submarine decoy torpedo. We also have at the latest level the British air defense laser Dragonfire. We have our own ship for this event, the South Korean ship ROKS Duo Buxian 2. This is the Admiral's Rough Pack. We also have the Impenetrable Shield Package. We also have the Impenetrable Shield Package. We have in our secret cargo box the American battleship USS Iowa. We have the Chinese missile Feiqian. We have the American landing ship USS San Antonio. We have the Japanese electromagnetic gun Tenisho. We have the Japanese Tensho electromagnetic cannon. We have the unmanned submarine Orca's Louvre. We have in the drone delivery box the Indian missile HSTDV. We have the Italian Mangusta helicopter. We have the Turkish Akaya missile, now with an enjoyable experience of the new pieces. ROKS Duo Buxian 2. A future South Korean ship has a variable gun according to your needs and has a closed missile battery. On behalf of Hyanmu 2C, it has 2 closed missile batteries. It has 2 sealed missile batteries of your choice. It also has 4 torpedo launchers. A drone helicopter can control a battery of Hyanmu missiles and another defensive helicopter. It also has 4 closed air defenses, 3 variable air defenses, and a closed missile air defense. You have 559,000 body points, with a speed of 22.7 knots. Now for a quick test.